Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my face before, please take some time and subscribe down below on the red subscribe button. Today we are going to talk about face toners. So what is a toner? Toner is something we use to cleanse our face and moisturize our face. It also helps us to minimize our pores which are around this area on the nose and on the cheek area. These pores are something which trap dirt, oil and other particles which usually cause acne. I don't have any acne prone skin, but still I would love to use toners and see how it turns out for my skin. I have a combination skin. So today on a specific note we are going to talk about this toner, which is Good Vibes toner. I got this from Purple at a very interesting amount of money. It retails for 225 rupees, but always Purple has some amazing sales going on. That's why these products from Good Vibes are always on a sale. So this one is the Rose Hip toner. I think you can see the packaging. It's a really cute plastic bottle. It won't break. It comes with a hefty amount of product. It's filled up to the rim. I've been using this since a week and I think this has helped me keep my face moisturized at all times of day. My face doesn't feel oily or dull at the end of the day. So toners can be used in two ways. Either you can take a cotton pad, dip it in the liquid and then press gently on your whole face, or second method is directly to spray on your face. Vibes Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner is gonna help me to reduce my dark spots and my blemishes. As you can see, I have dark spot under my eye and also on the area over here, and some of the breakouts are happening right here, here and here. So this product claims that it will help my skin lose all the dark spots and all the blemishes, and it will keep my skin moisturized for all day long. And I am really surprised, even after a week I can see my skin is really hydrated. I don't feel dryness on my face for the whole day, and on the top of that, this brand Good Vibes is such a beautiful brand. It's alcohol free. This toner doesn't contain any alcohol. It wouldn't harm any of our skins, sensitive skins. People with sensitive skin can also use this toner, and also it's paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free. It was not tested on any animal. So this is the best toner you could opt for while looking for cheap toners. It's not expensive at all. So I'm just gonna spritz this on my face. I'm gonna let this dry. You can let this dry on its own, or you could fan out with your hands. So this product has a really nice smell. It smells of roses. Who doesn't love roses? It's not a strong smell. It dilutes down after some time, and to be honest, this is really lightweight. It takes a bit of time to dry out. If you don't have that much of time, you are in a hurry, you could always use a cotton pad and just spray it on the cotton and just pat down on your skin. So make sure don't open your eyes while you're spraying this product because it itches. I got this in my eye by mistake and it really itches. So make sure to let it dry down first and then open your eyes. Other than that, this is a really nice product. You get a huge amount in this small price tag. After applying the toner, you should go for a moisturizer, whichever suits your skin the most. I would go with the Rose Hip Skin Serum. I'll take 2-3 drops on my face. and I'll gently massage this on my skin. So if you have oily skin, it would be more than enough to use the toner in the daytime or in the nighttime skincare routine. It's more than enough. But if you have a dry skin like me or a combination skin, you could opt for the day and the night skincare routine version. You could use this product 2 times a day and it would really help to minimize your pores. They will trap less dirt and oil and other bacteria which causes acne, and this is a really great product. I will link this product's details in the description box down below. And if you like my video, please share, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram where I post unique makeup looks and skincare routine. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.